Hello guys, today we are going to solve a question of physics from the chapter time period of simple pendulum. All of you see the question. In the question it is stated that what will happen to the time period if the acceleration due to gravity falls to 1/4. Now before I start explaining the process, let me first write the answer. Now as you all know, or those who have seen my previous video, you all can, and those who have not seen, see it from there, that time period is inversely proportional to the square root of acceleration due to gravity. So when acceleration due to gravity will increase, time period will decrease. Now if the acceleration due to gravity becomes 1/4 time, so it will be g by 4. Now denominator of denominator goes to numerator, so it will be root 4 by root g, that is t proportional to 2 by root g. As you all can see that previously it was 1 by root g, now it has become 2 by root g. So the time period is becoming twice to that of the previous time period. Now see, those who are seeing this sum from the competitive viewpoint, all of you follow this process. Now for those who are studying in school, I will do the process on the basis of numerical calculation. So see, let us first write the formula t equal to 2 pi root over of L by g. Now where L is the initial effective length and g is the initial acceleration due to gravity. Now here they have told that acceleration due to gravity becomes 1/4. So now the new acceleration due to gravity is g by 4. So now g equal to g by 4 and length will remain as it is. So what will be the, let us name it as t1 and let us name this as t2. So what will be the new time period? It will be 2 pi. Now since effective length doesn't change, so it is L only, and this will become g by 4. So what will happen? It will be 2 pi. Now 4 is in the denominator, it will go to the numerator, it will be 4L by g. Now they have told that how is the time period of the pendulum affected. For this, let us find the ratio t1 by t2. So what we have now, in place of t1, let us write the value of t1, 2 pi root L by g, and in place of t2 let us write the value 2 pi root over of, now 4 is inside the square root, so when 4 will come out outside, it will come as 2. Now let us cancel 2 pi will get cancelled, root L by g will get cancelled. So we are getting t1 by t2 equal to 1 by 2. So now this 2 will go to the numerator, so 2t1 equal to t2. So all the questions are answered. So what were the questions? How is the time period of pendulum affected? That I have told that time period of pendulum will increase. Why? Because it is inversely proportional to square root of acceleration due to gravity. And what will be its new time period? See, t2 equal to 2t1, that is it will become double of that of the previous time period. So guys, now see, in this question it is mentioned that it is a seconds pendulum. Now those who have seen my previous video, you all know that the time period of a seconds pendulum is 2 seconds. Now let us put the value in this formula. We are having t2 equal to 2t1. So the time period in the previous case was 2 seconds. So in place of t1 we will put here 2 seconds. So it will become 4 seconds. The new time period will be 4 seconds, as it is twice the time period of the seconds pendulum or of the previous case. So I hope today's video was clear to you all. Please follow my channel to get further videos like this. Thank you.